Moto Focus introduces the 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650, a machine that continues its long-standing mission of delivering reliable, go-anywhere performance with a rugged simplicity that riders trust. This new model arrives as a refined evolution of a legendary dual-sport platform, carrying forward a spirit of durability while embracing improvements designed to meet the demands of modern adventurers. In 2026, the KLR 650 positions itself once again as the motorcycle for riders who want one machine capable of tackling remote trails, long-haul touring, and urban commutes with equal confidence. Its reputation for dependability remains untouched, while its updated engineering ensures that this year's model stands as the most balanced version Kawasaki has produced. Engine performance evolution. The 2026 KLR 650 continues to rely on its trusted 652cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. But Kawasaki has tuned the power delivery for smoother throttle response and improved mid-range torque, giving the bike a more controlled feel during highway cruising and steep off-road climbs. While the foundation remains unmistakably KLR, updated fuel mapping, refined cooling efficiency, and reduced vibration ensure the machine runs more stable over long distances. The torque-forward design allows riders to maneuver confidently at low speeds on technical terrain, while still offering enough high-end push for extended road travel. Efficiency upgrades further extend the tank-to-tank range, reinforcing the KLR 650's role as a true long-distance explorer. Chassis stability, off-road confidence. Kawasaki builds on the strengthened frame introduced in previous generations, increasing structural rigidity for more predictable handling and improved load-carrying capability. The long-travel suspension receives internal damping updates that make the 2026 model feel more composed when transitioning between pavement and dirt, absorbing bumps, ruts, and uneven ground with a level of refinement that enhances rider endurance. With its tall stance, wide bars, and neutral seating triangle, the KLR maintains an ergonomically friendly design that accommodates long hours of riding. Off-road confidence is further supported by optimized weight distribution, allowing riders to steer the bike with precision even at slow speeds. On the highway, the stable geometry reduces fatigue and improves straight-line composure, ensuring the bike performs consistently across varied environments. Adventure-ready suspension durability. Durability remains a defining trait of the KLR 650, and for 2026, Kawasaki strengthens several key components to enhance long-term reliability. The suspension keeps its dual-purpose identity, with front fork tuning that balances comfort and firmness, providing adequate support for both loaded touring and rough terrain. The rear unitrack system benefits from increased progression, making the motorcycle more capable when carrying luggage or additional gear. Adventure riders will appreciate the reinforced subframe built to withstand heavy panniers, racks, and camping equipment. The bike's underbody remains protected by an improved skid plate, offering extra assurance when navigating rocky surfaces or trail debris. These updates maintain the KLR's reputation as a trustworthy companion that endures years of hard riding with reliable consistency. Aerodynamics, wind control, long-distance comfort. Comfort has always been essential to the KLR's identity, and the 2026 model enhances its long-range touring capabilities with refined aerodynamics and superior wind control. The adjustable windscreen offers expanded height range to help reduce fatigue on long rides, while improved fairing channels airflow more smoothly around the rider. The seat design adopts new density foam for better support, maintaining comfort on multi-hour journeys. Foot peg placement ensures relaxed leg positioning, and the wide handlebars contribute to a commanding and comfortable riding posture. Kawasaki also integrates vibration-reducing elements into the chassis and control points, leading to a calmer, less fatiguing experience on both pavement and gravel. These upgrades establish the 2026 KLR 650 as one of the most comfortable mid-weight adventure platforms for cross-country travel. Technology upgrades, modern functionality. The 2026 KLR 650 incorporates subtle but meaningful technological enhancements that bring modern convenience without compromising the bike's rugged character. The LCD display features sharper contrast for improved visibility in varying light conditions, providing essential information like gear position, fuel range, trip data, and digital speed readouts. USB-C and 12V charging ports allow riders to power GPS devices, phones, and accessories simultaneously. Kawasaki retains the bike's simple and reliable electronics philosophy, but includes improved ABS tuning for better performance on mixed terrain, especially when braking on loose gravel or wet surfaces. Optional rider aids remain minimal to preserve the KLR's straightforward nature, appealing to adventure purists who value mechanical simplicity over complex electronic systems. Design language practical utility. The 2026 KLR 650 continues its purposeful, adventure-first design with rugged bodywork, extended side fairings, and a stance that signals readiness for remote travel. Updated graphics give the bike a fresh, modern appearance, while color options provide riders with distinct identity choices ranging from stealth-inspired tones to bolder adventure themes. Practicality remains at the core of the design, with integrated mounting points that accommodate tail racks, crash bars, and auxiliary lighting without requiring extensive aftermarket modification. The large fuel tank maintains the model's signature range capabilities, allowing riders to explore remote regions without constant refueling. Kawasaki's attention to function over form ensures the 2026 model remains visually appealing while staying firmly grounded in practical adventure riding priorities. Fuel range exploration capacity. Long-distance exploration is fundamental to the KLR 650 legacy, and the 2026 version stays true to this identity by delivering exceptional fuel range through a combination of efficient engine management and a sizable tank. Whether crossing open highways, winding through mountain passes, or venturing into undeveloped landscapes, the KLR offers extended intervals between stops. Riders who travel through rural regions or remote trails appreciate this independence, as the motorcycle's range enhances freedom and reduces the stress of finding fuel stations. Combined with its simple construction, low operating costs, and widely available serviceability, the 2026 KLR 650 reinforces its position as an adventure machine designed for real-world conditions rather than purely showroom appeal. Practicality, maintenance owner experience. The 2026 KLR 650 maintains an owner-friendly design that prioritizes ease of maintenance and field serviceability. Riders who embark on long expeditions value the ability to perform basic repairs roadside, and the KLR's mechanical accessibility supports that philosophy. The updated components are engineered for longevity, reducing the frequency of service intervals and lowering overall ownership costs. Its robust construction allows riders to tackle harsh environments without hesitation, knowing the motorcycle is built to withstand continual exposure to dirt, weather, and challenging terrain. This practicality appeals not only to seasoned adventurers, but also to newer riders seeking a reliable, low-stress, dual-sport platform. Conclusion: the 2026 KLR 650 as timeless adventure legacy. The 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650 stands as a refined, more capable, and more comfortable evolution of an already iconic machine, preserving the rugged DNA that has defined it for decades while enhancing its versatility, comfort, and reliability. It remains a motorcycle built for riders who value durability, simplicity, and long-range capability. With thoughtful updates across performance, ergonomics, and utility, the 2026 KLR 650 demonstrates why the KLR line continues to be one of the most respected names in the adventure riding world. Moto Focus presents this model as a trustworthy partner for journeys across continents, mountain trails, and everyday roads, ready to accompany riders who seek freedom beyond the horizon.